How to log in to Milestone Credit Card. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have a Milestone Credit Card, you will likely want to log in to your account to check your balance, view statements, or pay your bill. Here are the steps to log yourself in. Firstly, go to the website. Open your preferred browser and then in the search bar, open the Milestone Credit Card website. Now, find the Login section. On the home page, look for a Login or Account Access section. You will then be asked to enter your details. You will need to type in your username and password. If you have not created these yet, you might see an option to register or create an account. Further, access your account. After entering your details, click on the Login button to access your account, and this is how you can log in to Milestone Credit Card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.